watch, wallet, and specs. I hit the scene and I'm looking for sex. Squeaky clean and a little complex, and I'll be working on the night shift.
Yeah, working on it.
Cigarette hanging off of my lip, clinging to me like you cling to my hip. Caught you slipping, so I gave you the grip, and we be working on the night shift.
Yeah, working on it.
Emergency, come see me quickly, and be with me, and just me strictly. I love you like it's 1960. Emergency, come see me quickly, and be with me, and just me strictly. I love you like it's 1969.
Yeah, more unbelievable than the lunar landing. I find you quite outstanding, and I'm alarmingly charming, darling. Your gaze I'm commanding. Fixated on your figure, I figure you're a supermodel, or at least part-time. Anywhere you go, I'll follow. Freckle fingers that linger up on my waistline. You whisper that you wish we could kiss up in outer space, and I'm buzzing like Ultron. And with these clever lines, one small step for man, one giant leap, you're damn fine. And I'm buying us new tickets for this Woodstock. All up on my Jimmy like Hendrix, I'm really good guy. Trying to be a gentleman, bending me till I'm in awe of your lovely lines, designed to make me blast off upon a rocket ship. No stopping this hip-hop, a kid who got a box of chocolates with your name up on top of it. So get the taste, make haste, we ain't got much time. Gonna make you mine in 1969 and 9.
Emergency, come see me quickly, and be with me, and just me strictly. I love you like it's 1960. Emergency, come see me quickly, and be with me, and just me strictly. I love you like it's 1969.
Yeah, man.
And it's not considered dirty, it's considered beautiful. To show emotion, to love beautiful things.